What's up, all you cool cats and shop rats? Welcome back to Rule Hard Garage. It's been a while since you heard that one, right? Am I right? Well, I'm going to explain why I've not made a video. You guys deserve an explanation. Also, I'm going to get this freaking garage cleaned up because it's a mess in here. And we got to make some plans to reorganize and kind of redo things in here. I know I've done it a whole bunch of times, but sometimes when you've got a workshop, you have to revisit it several times and tweak and tune it so you can get it just right. That's what we're going to do today. Also, I'm saying why I'm making this video on my phone. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. Now, I'm going to get into this and try to make it quick. There's really three main reasons that I'm not using this shop space right now. The one reason is that it's a freaking mess. As you can see out here, when we built Lindsay's stained glass bench over here and I had to move my welding stuff over there, that kind of condensed things, and then I haven't been out here to clean, so it turned into a mess. We've got a couple of bikes that need to be taken care of so we can get them out of here, which is going to free up some space. And the most important thing as far as the mess out here is that this is not being utilized properly. We got this nice deep bench, but there's nothing up there, just a bunch of crap. So I need to sacrifice all this cool artwork, and I needed to put some tools and some toolboxes and some storage up there, and also build some shelves around the top of the garage to some degree, so that I can get things that are under this cabinet out from underneath there, up above, and I can take some of these tools and some of this other stuff, stick them underneath, and open up a crap ton of space in the shop. Also, this cabinet's broken, and that radio's broken, and those are going bye-bye. The other reason I've not been out here making videos for you guys, and this is really the main reason, and this is why I'm making this video, to sort of apologize to you guys, because you guys have been great. I know I've gained a whole bunch of subscribers on this channel who, have subscribed, and I've not released content. So I promise you, we do have content coming. I'm just very, very busy with work right now, and it takes some time after I've switched jobs to kind of reorganize and figure out how I'm going to fit videos and garage time, Rule Hard Garage, into my life, right? I'm sure some of you guys can relate, but as you know, making these videos takes a lot of time. Working on these bikes takes a lot of time. I don't think I'll go back to making videos once every single week. Probably once every 2 weeks. Maybe if I do release a video every week, one video will be sort of like a short format video. Remember, I do heating and cooling. I'm an HVAC technician. My new job, I am in the union now, and that's really good for me. Really good for my family, make more money, I have good benefits, but I have to go through the apprenticeship program. So that means that twice a week I have class that I got to go to, which really digs in and eats into my time, which when the weekend comes around, I have a bunch more time that I got to spend with my family. I'm sure you guys can understand that. So that's really the main reason, and I'm still working on that. So once we get this shop cleaned up today and reorganized, what's probably going to end up happening is the little bit of time that I have at night, I'm going to start flipping and trying to invest that time out here. But that's not going to happen quite yet, because the other reason and the last reason that I've not been out here is because we're remodeling the office, which is my editing room. We're calling it the Den, but we kind of turned it into like a little movie room with an editing station, new drywall, new flooring, new desk, all those things. Almost done with it. I got to finish the trim and build the desk, but as of right now, I don't have an editing computer, which is why I'm shooting this video on my phone. Alright, enough of the boring shit. Now we're going to jump into getting this garage cleaned up and making a plan. If you're not new to this channel, you remember that I've got a very detailed way as far as cleaning surfaces. Pretty much what you do, you focus on a surface and you just categorize everything on that surface, and then you put it all away. It's the quickest, easiest way to get it cleaned up. I will try to link to a video down in the description. I've never shot a video on my phone, so I'm not sure how that's going to work, but I'll try to link that video down below that goes into detail on that. But let's jump into it. Let's start on this bench and let's get it cleaned up. Alright, so we got our nice and clean. It's pretty much clean over there. Not too worried about that. But I kind of got a plan here of what I'm going to do. So there's all these parts that are down underneath the cabinet. What I would like to do is take all the stuff out from underneath there, all those parts, put them in containers that we can store on a shelf up above, up there. Take all these pictures down off of the back, take those crates and the hardware stuff, and probably that thing, and probably the tools that are out of that, and the toolbox, and some other toolboxes and organization and stuff, and put all that stuff along the back of this bench. That way this bench is actually able to be utilized. Also freeing up a bunch of floor space in the process. And I think that's going to be the trick. I think it's going to be the trick, and that's where my head is right now. But we're not doing that this week. We're just getting things clean. But before we go, I'm going to talk about what you can expect from the channel coming forward. Some things I got planned. You guys probably haven't met this guy yet. This is Sears Free Spirit moped. What it actually is it's a Puch. Right there's the Puch ProMag motor. And we got this for free, and it didn't run, and it hasn't ran since 1978. So we put a new spark plug in it and put new gas in it, new tires, and bada bing bada boom, she runs like a champ. But we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna do some paint on it. We got to get new chains and put a new pipe on it because it's all rusty. But this is gonna be a fun little project that we work on, so you can expect that. Also, this thing, I have to get this thing done. I've been sitting on this for way too long. All I had to do is put some shocks on it and lower the front end a little bit and put a switch on it and get it going. Got to get this bike done, get it out of the garage. Also, I'd like to do some more work on this thing. That's Lindsay's Shadow, sitting there all sad, just neglected. But I maybe will put a Sportster tank on it. We got to do some changing around on the hardware. We actually got to make some special hardware for the rear tire. This thing, we got to do fork seals, or we got to put a new front end on it. I really want to do a front end, but I don't know how feasible that's going to be. I'm pretty much at the point I can just drop the change and put a new front end on it, but I'm an asshole and I'm like insisting to use a specific Honda front end. We'll cover that in a different video. This thing, I love this bike. Why I can't work on it, I don't know. I need to work on it, but it's like I have all these other projects that keep me from getting to my ultimate project. This one also, this is Lindsay's little brat style bike. Lots of work to do on this thing. Got to get this guy going. First and foremost though, we got to finish welding up Collins 2-in-1 exhaust that goes on the XS400. Get that all taken care of. And also, so we can have some sweet summertime food once summertime rolls back around. I've been building this smoker, which you guys also haven't seen. Just a delicious way to grill. So that's all that we got going in the shop today. Like I said, we have to get out here and we need to get some shit done in this shop. And I do apologize to you guys for waiting so long to get a video out or to update you on what's going on. But as you see, I've got a lot of stuff going on. And I do have lots of plans of things to do out here. I got to get this office finished, which I plan on doing in the next weekend or so. And then I can come out here and focus on all these things that we just talked about as far as reorganizing, getting the space out here so that I can spend the time and do what I need to do. Do not forget, if you like this video, to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about making it on the phone. I definitely don't intend on doing this often, but it is pretty convenient. As far as the editing goes, I don't know how that's going to work out. So comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. And until next time, peace!